Hello everyone. So today we are gonna start the Matillion series. I plan to cover these topics in the respective sessions. I could change the order a little or add or remove a few things based on the comments or based on the feedback I get. But I would try to cover most of the important things that you might need to know. Going ahead, these are the official links. Like I always recommend that always keep a link towards the official documentations in reference to even blogs, because if there are any latest changes, they would update the official documentation, but many a times blogs remain unchanged for years together. Official website is here, and if you want to learn from the documentation and in case you are interested in answering the certifications, there are three of them. Going ahead, before you start with Matillion, we need to understand the terms data integration, and once you understand data integration, we'll get into terms like ETL and ELT to start with. What is data integration? See, because we are generating a lot of data, right, for everything, we are bookings, even the paying of your parking fees, you buying from the grocery store, everywhere your data is being accumulated. In many places, we integrate the data. Basically, we pull data from multiple places. So, in example, in an organization, they would have their marketing data, they would have their sales data, they would have their human resource data, production data, R&D data, customer data. Imagine if they could mix the customer, the marketing, the sales, and the production together, they could get so many insights, right? Based on the gender, the income category, you could also predict where should I market, what should be, kind of based on the sales that they had given. So you can see what kind of insights you can get. That is data integration. When someone is telling about it is a data integration tool, you understand that this is what the tool is gonna do. Now, in data integration processes, there are two main things, that is ETL and ELT. Now, what is ETL? ETL is nothing but extract, transform, and load. Extract means basically you're extracting from many places like this, okay, and then you're transforming it in a way that it is meaningful to you, okay, and then you're loading it. A very good example that I can give you is your Swiggy. When you're ordering anything from your favorite restaurant, they will, if I go down here, will get the particular necessities from the respective grocery store or vegetable store. They will transform it to whatever you asked, and then they will deliver to your house, okay. So this is a very day-to-day example of extract, transform, and load, right? In case if I say is ELT, what happens is, another example would be your grocery delivery apps, like Instamart, the Big Basket, where they will pull in from multiple sources, and first they will deliver to your house. Oops, the delivery should have come here. Then you transform it in your house, right? So that's the difference, okay, between ETL and ELT. In ETL, transformation happens in the mid stage before you load it somewhere, and in terms of ELT, what happens is you're first loading and then you're transforming, okay. Now, to come to your IT terms, what are you doing is you're extracting data from the database, the CRMs, the APIs, the flat files, and that these are the different ways in which you would store the data, right? Marketing data could have been in a database, the sales data would be in the CRMs, and then you transform it, basically rearrange it, recalculate so that you get some value out of it and only load those values, right? This is ETL on IT terms. This is one small hidden post that I had done few months back. Okay, like oil, data is raw and crude form, right? In its own crude form, it is not much of value. With your bills at a grocery store, just like that, that it is of no value. You would have to make sections between the sales that, oh, these are the top buying customers, I can give a special offer to them. These are where my regular customers, but they are not coming, probably I can contact them and give them some offer. That is how you would need to extract and process it. Now, what are the challenges with this? Data is piling at a rapid pace. More data and means complex ETLs, and which means now you need to store everything in a place. So there's lot of need of storage, and then because you have too many things to work on, you need lot of processing power. Okay, now with all this, what happens? Your expenditure and maintenance is going to increase exponentially, right? Next, what is the solution? Solution is you get into cloud technologies. Like when you have a computer and your capacity increased, you don't need to buy a newer hard disk. If you are working on cloud, you are just requesting for more space, and you would pay for that. Another advantage of cloud is that you pay as you go. Meaning, say you have taken 500 GB of hard disk, so you have upfront paid for it, right? You might not be using so much. In terms of cloud, it is on the go. How much you are using? Say you're using 100 GB, you're gonna pay for that. Okay, that is what it means by pays as you go. Next is to get best out of data, what we need? We need a robust ETL tool to get the extraction and transformation done. And you need some cloud technology that will give an advantage of expansion, right? And so we can go for Matillion. Okay, so Matillion is an robust ETL tool which does the extract, transform, and loading on cloud. Okay, it's a cloud native ETL platform. Why do we use it? It's designed to simplify and accelerate the process of transforming the raw data into valuable insights. Okay, so some of the features of Matillion are there. It is cloud native, so that's the important feature. Its connectivity, okay, to multiple data sources. This connectivity part has made life so easy. Otherwise, it would have involved so many modules and so many languages, and which is also results in maintenance, right? So the connectivity part has also reduced the work or stress, I can say, by a great extent. There's minimal coding here, and it's mostly run with modules, okay, with drag and drop. Wonderful data transformation modules. Scalability, because it's on cloud, you can scale it. Collaboration and version control, you can integrate with Git as well, and you can monitor and you get the logs for everything that you work on, and it also supports machine learning and AI. Okay, so this is what I say is a learning curve. It's at the step one, you need to know what and why, right, which we have done today. Later, you need to learn from a credible resource. I would be taking few sessions. I have also provided you with the official documentation as well, so learn from that. I'll try to refer and provide you all links from the official documents itself, so you all are very much connected to the official document. And we will also be doing an end-to-end project in the end of all this. It's not coming week, but after we are done with this part, we will go on with the end-to-end project. And after that, you only will grow when you share. That is what I am doing currently, and next would be your turn. Okay, and that is when you will learn and also implement at work. Ultimately, that's the goal, right? That is all I had for today. If you have any other questions regarding ETL, ELT, data integration, or any of the basics of cloud, please do let me know. I will try to help you all with it. Thank you.